Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another Sunday flea market haul. If you happen to be new here, I do flea market hauls each and every single Sunday, and on Wednesdays I do restorations of what I find. So without any further ado, I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well this thing is a beast. Let me get all the small stuff out of the way. Let's try and focus on this toolbox for right now. This is a Homac. I have both keys for it, which is totally awesome. I paid $50 for this thing. It's brand new. Still have the warranty and everything for it. This thing is beautiful. It still has liners in there. It doesn't look like this thing ever had tools in it, to be honest with you. $50 was a very decent price for me, and I'm quite happy to have it. My only problem now is where am I going to put it? But I got it, I'm happy with it, and this thing is a ton. I swear, this thing is way overbuilt. Oh, I can't even move it. Let me try and get this off here, and we'll start with the rest of the tool haul. Give me a minute. I'm getting too old for this. Alrighty guys, well here is another $10. So we spent $50 for the big toolbox, we spent $10 for this one. This is a complete set of Huskies. I have the same exact set that I picked up at Jacktown. The gentleman I bought this off of also threw in a couple of sockets that I just picked up randomly. These are all Craftsman underline C. Quite happy to have gotten those. And two underline Craftsman combinations. This is a 3/4 and 11/16. These wrenches aren't in the best condition, but if you're working on a set and you need fillers for these spots, then you throw these ratty ones in until you can find something better, right? So that was an awesome deal for 10 bucks. A couple of tables down, I found a 1/4 inch set, which I thought was pretty cool, because all this stuff that I'm going to show you right now, this is all $15 right here. So we spent a total of $75 today. Let's go through this. I just showed you the 1/4 inch Huskies. That's quite cool. I got a Miller's Falls utility knife. I've never seen a Miller's Falls utility knife before, and so I saw it, grabbed it, picked it up, and I'm a happy camper. I got a diamond pair of duckbill needle nose. Quite cool to find those. Grips are in perfect shape. They definitely need a cleaning, but hey, it'll look fantastic in my little diamond tool haul, you know? I'm gonna save those off to the side. I got this little tiny itty bitty awl. Dropped her. Got this little itty tiny bitty awl. This thing's so itty bitty and tiny it just says awl. So I think that's pretty cool. There's no name on there. I looked really good. Couldn't find nothing. It's a shame. I wish there was a name. Got a nice pair of tiny little screwdrivers. Quite happy to find these. So those will go right in my screwdriver collection. Got a fantastic crate tool. This is a box terrier from the Bridgeport company. It's in ratty shape, but I think we can bring it back. Quite happy with that. 100 plus Stanley. It looks like a number 2 slotted. Grip's not too good, but I'm sure we can clean it up and bring it back. Got a funky pair here of vice grips. I'm like vice grip rich. I've got so many vice grips, but whenever I see funky ones, I always pick them up. So I don't think it comes more funkier than this. Kmart, man. How long's it been since you've seen Kmart on anything? So that's quite cool. Definitely gonna hang on to those. I got another brake tool. This is a proto brake tool. I misidentified one of these a couple of months back, and I thought it was a seats tool for cleaning seats, but I was surely mistaken. And yeah, brake tool. Proto brake tool. Awesome. Another cool proto tool that I got. VitalNet system. This is a little advertising screwdriver. Whenever I see them, I just pick them up, so quite cool to get that. I got one of these little, I don't know, like little tin sets here. It's complete. I'm quite happy with that. I wish the socket would stay in there and quit falling out. There we go. So it's a complete set along with the drive. Come on, get in there. Complete set. The vinyl bag is in really good shape. It's not ripped up. It's still reasonably pliable. I think we can clean this up rather quick. And that'll look nice once this is all cleaned up. It'll probably be just another resell, but hey, I think it's worth it. Might even be video worthy. So we'll move this off to the side. Next, I got this little toolkit. It even says Toolkit Howard. I can't read what that says on there. I picked it up strictly because I like the box. It's a very sturdy box, but the color is fantastic on this thing. Look at the inside. It's like a, I don't want to say robin's egg blue. It's more greenish, I think, than blue. And then, of course, it came with some, you know, some sockets, some extensions, and no wrenches or nothing like that. But, you know, I kind of like just the box. I think it's pretty damn cool. And last but not least, I got two awesome wrenches. I haven't looked this up. It just says Shelly, S-H-E-L-L-E-Y. It kind of reminds me of a like a King Dick wrench. I'm not very versed in English wrenches, but I'm pretty sure this is a English wrench, Shelly. So if it is, that's quite cool in itself. This one I happen to know is, I did a full take apart. I couldn't get the slide off, so I had to throw the combinations, or the 1x30 on there to knock the burrs off real quick so I can get this slide off, because I couldn't find a maker's mark. Well, I finally found it. It was up top and it was buried under so much rust. I hope that shows up, but it says Domino. I believe it's made in England, Domino. Made in England, Domino, yep. So that's a pretty cool wrench. I like that a lot. This is gonna get a full-blown resto, I'm pretty sure. So I'll probably do this wrench, and something else for another tool medley. So that'll be pretty cool. Alrighty guys, well, we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to put in the comment section what you think your favorite find of today was. Me personally, for my own collection, would have to be the British wrenches. I am blown away that I found these. One is a Domino. The other, I believe, it says Shelly or Shelby. I haven't done any research on this one, but I will as soon as I get off here. But for the shop, would have to be that huge toolbox. $50, I couldn't pass it up. That thing is like a tank. That thing is so heavy, and I'm stoked that it's got the keys, it's got the owner's manual for it. It looks like a tool has never even been in there, so that was a great score. Hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you guys next week with another. Bye.